Igbo nwere akọnuche, Igbo nwere ngabasị, Igbo na-achụ aja ego na-achụ aja mmụọ, Igbo na-emepekwa obodo, Igbo na-akpọrọta akụ ahịhịa oyi. Ụmụ Igbo niile olu m ekele unu, nke onye chiri n'ụwa ya zeluo. Ekene ndị Igbo jiri biri ha na-enwe obodo enwe ha. Mbi ụwa ọzọ Chukwu nna m eme onye Igbo, ife nna chọ bụ ebe ọ ga-abalụ m. Obodo kpọrọ nkụ na ndị Igbo banye okwu ome, inukwa mere ka nwanne Sachukwu Emeka ọdụm egwu Ojukwu olu m ekele. Mbọ niile gbara ya agaghị echefu, onye aka ya dị ọcha na-emesi ụwa ga-ama. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Amadike, ọchụwa ọkụkọ nwado ọkụkọ n'ọsọ na-eme. Emedumadị nweza adịghị na mba, mmiri zoro ezo ga-emesi ọkọcha. Iburu Igbo biko kwe ukwe, ego na-achụ aja mmụọ, na-emekwa obodo, Igbo na-akpọrọta akụ ahịhịa oyi. Abịa na amamihe ndị Igbo nwere ya, abịa na agụba akwụkwọ n'ime agụ, ịkpọta ha na-espọta ndị Igbo nwee ebe ndị ọma. Obodo ị gara ifuru onye Igbo obodo ijere ifuru onye Igbo Shifosito Sadebe, Mpani Igbo Oliver Dikopula.
Hello everybody, how are you guys doing? Welcome to this quick broadcast that I just want to do before I get into what I'm doing today. So this is particularly concerning Igbo people. You notice that recently I've been focusing on Igbo people because of what I perceive to be a state of confusion, okay? And this is not just about Igbo people, but I know in the whole of Nigeria, there's a state of confusion. The only person that is not confused is the man who is hungry. He's not confused about the fact that he is hungry. He's not confused about the fact that he is angry. But a lot more of the people, existing in Nigeria, talking about what's going on in Nigeria, are confused as far as I'm concerned. Why do I say this? People know what to do, but they're afraid of doing what they're supposed to do. So they are settling for a reason not to do what they're supposed to do. They are looking for leadership. There's leadership lacking in the land. People are looking for direction. They're looking for someone they would be able to say that it was because of this person that we did what we did. It was this person that directed us to do what we did. Like I told you, the angry man knows that it is because of Tinubu that he is angry. He knows it's because of Tinubu that he's hungry. He's willing to do whatever needs to be done to show that he is hungry. But then again, he is not confident enough to do what he's supposed to do. And the people that are supposed to actually, lead him into doing what he's doing, everybody seems to be backing out. And that's where I am frustrated. But that's not what I came to talk about today, although I'll be talking about it also down the road. But really, what the area I really want to concentrate today is talking about Igbos that we have been losing. This morning, I woke up to the news about IFEANYI UBA, who is a senator, and it shook me because this is somebody that I know. This is somebody I've come into close contact with, and this is somebody that I recently was trying to communicate with to get him to do an interview through a friend of his. So it's still very fresh in my memory, and you can imagine how shocked I was when I learned of his passing. And just a couple of days ago, 2 days ago to be precise, we were dealing with the death of Emmanuel IWUANYANWU. So it looked like within a span of 2 days, within 2 days interval, Igbos have lost two very prominent people in their society, in their community, in their tribe. A lot of people have, in this program, I am somebody who promotes divergent opinions. I like it when people have different opinions. Bring it on. I'm not the kind of person to stifle any opinion. It's a free world. I like it when people are independent and express themselves. So I know a lot of people may not have these two men as their favorites, especially Igbo men. A lot of you have your misgivings about them. A lot of you have your reservations about them. I have issues with so many people, including these people too. But that doesn't deny the fact that these were very prominent people in our community. Somebody says the boy has aged badly. Well, that is the thing that a lot of you fail to understand. Age is something that happens. Yes, I'm aging. We're not getting younger every day, and that's why when we tell you stuff, it is best you listen. We've been there, done that. We've had a lot of experience, and so when we talk out of experience. I'm not a small boy. It will surprise you to realize or to know that Ifeanyi Uba at 52 is supposed to be younger than me. Okay, if that's his true age, then that means I'm older than Ifeanyi Uba. So that doesn't make me a small boy. Now, I really came here today to kind of, should I say, how do they say, soliloquize with Igbo people over the death of these two men. Like I said, you may not like them, you may not agree with them, but these are two Iroko trees that that are fallen in Igbo land, and it is worthy of note. It is something that is worthy of us speaking about. Okay, so if you have any opinion, go ahead and leave it in the comments section. What do you think about these men? How do you think their death impacts our community? That is really why I'm doing this video. I want you to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. With Ohaneze Ndigbo, with the death of Emmanuel IWUANYANWU, tell me what you think should happen. Who do you think should take that position? Who is best suited to take that position of the President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo? And with IFEANYI UBA, what do you think about IFEANYI UBA? What do you think about his death? He just survived an attack by armed men a few years ago. just a few, let's even say months ago. And now he has passed. So what do you make of it? And for Igbos in general, what do you see about our status in the bigger Nigerian nation? What is your opinion about the Biafran nation? What is the way forward? What is your opinion about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? I did a video and I was saying Igbos should not boycott the the protest. What do you think about it? Ojebeke, thank you so much for joining us. Ojebeke says IFEANYI UBA accused Nnamdi Kanu of being caught on top of a woman. He died on top of a woman in London. Oh yeah? Well, I didn't hear that part of the news that he died on top of a woman in London. The news I hear is that he slumped in London. I mean, before you make this kind of accusations, you better have your facts. So what the statement that is released out there on what we know is that he slumped in a London hotel. Okay, I mean that doesn't sound like something out of the ordinary. Someone travels and he books a hotel and he has a cardiac arrest. It's possible. It's not out of the ordinary. But Jebeke, you are now saying that he died on top of a woman. Well, this is exactly why I am doing this video. Let us hear what you think. Thank you for your contribution again. This is not a long video. This is by way of me announcing and confirming that of the truth, IFEANYI UBA is dead, and we just lost another Igbo man. 2 days ago, we were talking about Emmanuel IWUANYANWU. Now we lost IFEANYI UBA. So please leave a comment in the comment section and let us continue the discussion. My name is Dr. Chidi Mwanyanwu. I'd like for you to continue to stay on this channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so, and click on the notification bell so that we'll always contact you when there's a new video. All right, on behalf of Dr. Erica and everyone here in Toronto, this is me signing off. Bye-bye.